Sometimes you just want to fly. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter when. You don't have to have a destination. You don't even have to have a starting point. It can just be random clips jumbled together without a story. Lately, I just fly to escape the stress of reality. Past 2 years have been completely taxing on my mind. Every time I plug into a battery, it's an instant escape. A reminder that flying a drone can take me anywhere. All I have to do is fly. Every flight you take, every move you make is different than the pilot before you. Stay original.